To effectively remove your workplace information from your Facebook page, follow these simple steps. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Next, locate the menu icon, typically displayed as 3 horizontal lines, and tap on it. Scroll down and select Pages from the options presented. To switch to your desired page, tap the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen and choose the specific page you wish to switch to. Once on your page, tap on the profile picture to access the page settings. Find the edit icon located at the top right corner of the page and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Edit Your About info. Under the Work section, you will see the pencil icon next to your workplace. Tap on it to make changes, select Edit Workplace, and then tap on the X icon next to your workplace to remove it. Finally, to save the changes, tap on the Save button located at the bottom of the page. By following these steps, you can easily update and customize the information displayed on your Facebook page, ensuring that your profile accurately reflects your preferences and privacy settings.